Ever found yourself wrestling with your phone, trying to capture a high-quality video? It can be a tricky business, but don't worry, we're here to help. Today we're diving into 5 tricks that will transform your phone into a professional video recording device. First things first, lighting. You heard it right. The secret to a high-quality video is often as simple as the right lighting. Avoid direct sunlight or overly bright lights, which can wash out your video. Instead, opt for soft, natural light. This will ensure your video is clear, sharp, and pleasing to the eye. Second trick on the list, stabilization. Shaky hands can ruin a great video. But fear not, a simple solution is at hand. Use both hands to hold your phone, keep your elbows close to your body, or lean on a piece of furniture. For a more professional approach, consider investing in a tripod or gimbal. Next up, we delve into the world of audio. Poor sound can kill even the most visually stunning video. For optimal audio quality, film in a quiet environment and use an external microphone if possible. This will ensure your audience can hear you loud and clear. Fourth, we turn our attention to the framing. Remember the rule of thirds. Divide your frame into a grid and place your subject along the lines or at the intersections. This simple trick can make your video look more professional and visually interesting. Finally, let's talk about editing. Don't shy away from using editing apps. They can help you adjust the brightness, contrast, and even add some special effects. A well-edited video can make a world of difference to your final product. So there you have it, 5 tricks to level up your phone video recording game. To recap: 1. Use soft, natural light for a clear, sharp video. 1. Stabilize your phone to avoid shaky videos. 1. Prioritize sound quality by filming in a quiet environment and using an external microphone. 1. Use the rule of thirds for a professional, visually interesting video. 1. Don't be afraid to use editing apps to enhance your video. Each of these tricks can significantly improve the quality of your videos, helping you to create content that stands out. So next time you're recording on your phone, keep these tricks in mind. You'll be amazed at the difference they can make. Happy filming!